up, guys? We're here. We're just getting set up right now. Camera's up, getting steady up. Got the lighting fixture up. Got my boy Brandon right here rehearsing choreo. You know, we're just doing it. We're gonna go for it. Got a second location after this, so stay tuned. Kurt's the man. You know, he's looking at lighting over here. Looking super smart, like a genius. Without him, there's nothing goes on. So. This is Brandon right here, the artist. Brandon, what's going on?
Good, man. Excited to be here. This is awesome. Like I was telling Fabrizio earlier, like I'm so happy to be here. Very blessed. Yeah, I'm just ready to get that first take jitter.
First music video.
Yeah, first music video.
Debut coming up. 2 music videos. My name. Sorry. What do you know?
This is gonna be awesome.
Out of here.
So ready.
What's up, everyone? My name is Andres. I'm the DP on this project. We're here at location number 1, 1 of 3, and we're working with Brandon today. And yeah, everyone's like, we're almost there. We're almost set up. So yeah, so I'm basically kind of in charge of the visual side of the photography side. So I work with Fabrizio, he's kind of overseeing the whole thing, and our Gaffer Kurt, so we kind of collaborate, and I'm kind of like the in-between person for deciding or making calls on how the image is looking. And yeah, so that's basically it.
Cool. Let's have some fun today, bro.
We just got, you know, the first 3 takes with the 50 mil, switching out frame rates, switching out lenses, and we're back to it, right? Right, Andres?
Yeah, we're back to it.
How's the performance there? Having fun, dude. Yeah, this is great.
Tired yet or no? Because you can't be.
Not really. Not yet.
Cool.
Alright, my name is Wolf. I guess AD today in BTS. It looks like we're about to roll, so let's just get going.
Who are you? What are you doing?
Shit. Just trying to figure out how this works. Is it on? Do you think this is on? I pull focus, make sure the image stays focused, sometimes blurry. I am very good at getting awkward when the camera is right in my face. You see, that's why I first say C or DP.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, you're doing great. Fantastic job. I'll point up here. Is that better?
Sweet, better.
Okay.
My name is Christian. I'm a grip. My job is to assist the gaffer. We're doing a little bit of everything. What else you want to know, man?
Sounds good.
What's up, guys? We're in this red tunnel room right now. Kurt's the man, you know, he's taking out the lighting so we can get it right. Tube master, Jedi master.
Are you rolling, bro?
Okay.
And yeah.
I don't know, he's in up here.
Cool. He's frozen back there.
Who?
This guy, I don't even know who he is.
This guy here? You good? You good, bro?
Cool, yeah. Another one down. Just got a shot up in there with some red lights. Had a first shot in here, a couple lights. You'll see that later on.
It's so smooth, man. Yeah, I don't think I could have ever asked for like a better first set of like team to work with. You know what I mean? Because like I don't know. There's so much about I was just telling Guillermo this. I'm like, there's so much about being by yourself and like not knowing if things are gonna work out, and then like again trusting your vision to someone. Beyond fun. From that first take, man. Like I just felt it. I was like, oh, this is gonna be a fire shoot, man. Like,
Hell yeah.
Oh, this is so much fun, guys.
Yeah.
It's too much fun.
And we're not done.
We're not done yet.
Still got more. Second location. Gonna get some lunch. Taking down right now, so getting ready for that.
Second location. Kurt's just up there. Can you see it? Yep. Just fixing up a key light, top down light. I think I remember this one from the treatment.
Stay behind the camera. Stay behind this camera. Yeah, bro. Stay behind the camera.
Hey, small cameras in the back. A wrap on day one.
That's a wrap on day one, baby. We out of here. Wrap on day one. Day two tomorrow. Stay tuned. Thank you, Kurt, the man. Thank you, Andres, the man. And I'm glad we had a girl on set. Because I was just too much man, you know?
We had two, man. We had two. It's windy out here, dude.
It's very windy out here. Over there. You know, we're out here in the desert. Andres is getting the RE set up because he's a master RE guy. Day two of the music video stuff that we're doing. The stuff, things.
And where are we at?
And we are in Little Rock in the desert north of LA.
Little Rock.
Little Rock.
Not Arizona?
Nah, but it looks like it. Look at those hills. The hills have eyes. We're at the second location, wrapping up here. Brandon doing poses, Andres shooting. Lighting looks great. Sun's coming down though, so this is our last shot here. So that concludes our shoot pretty much. Amazing shoot, solid team. everybody killed it yesterday. Everybody killed it today. Stay tuned for the videos. We gotta hammer those out with the edits. And yeah, man, I had a lot of fun. I'm sure everyone had a lot of fun. It's getting colder here, so see y'all later.
Hey guys.
Good job, guys.
Like, thank you guys, Artista, for taking care of me, for taking care of my vision, my dream. And, you know, Andres for getting such killer shots, the whole crew.
So I'm just here with my child. How's everyone
This
doing?
guy.